Nokia X30 design. Nokia X30 comes with numerous features which not only make its appearance appealing but also very adjustable. The phone has a dimension of 158.9 by 73.9 by 8 mm, 6.26 by 2.91 by 0.31 in, with a weight of 185 grams, 6.53 ounces, comfortable to move around. Moreover, the build of Nokia X30 is glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, aluminum frame, plastic back. It supports single SIM, nano SIM or eSIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Option 3, you can get accessibility to different networks. This phone comes with popular color options by i.e. cloudy blue, ice white. The Nokia X30 sensors include fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Display and processor. This model has display size of 6.43 inches, 99.8 square centimeters, approximately 85.0% screen-to-body ratio, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 409 pixels per inch density, which is enough to show optimal display. Nokia X30 display type is AMOLED, 90 Hz, 450 nits TYP, 700 nits peak. The operating system in this Nokia X30 is Android 12. The chipset used in the smartphone is Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 5G, 6 nanometers, with CPU octa-core 2x 2.2 GHz Cryo 660 Gold and 6x 1.7 GHz Cryo 660 Silver. Memory. The Nokia X30 comes with a storage of 128 GB, 256 GB. Camera. This phone offers 2 camera pack. Following is the list of resolution details of the main camera. 50 MP, f1.8 wide, 1/1.56, 1.0 micrometers PDAF, OIS. 13 MP, f2.4, 123 degrees, ultrawide, 1/3.06. To enjoy shooting and capturing, you have got the popular features like LED flash, HDR, panorama, 1080p at 30/60 fps. The selfie camera has the following resolution details and features. 16 MP, f2.4 wide, 1/3.06, 1.0 micrometers. 1080p at 30 fps.